guys, so today we are in Knysna and the plan is to head out to the Knysna Heads. This is apparently one of the most beautiful things you can see in Knysna. There's the east and the west head. Apparently the west head is a lot more difficult to get to, so what we're doing is we're going to drive to the east head and then have a little picnic and take some pics and show you guys what it's like. So hopefully one day you will be able to plan your trip and go there as well. We're then going to sleep here tonight. We're going to go to a nice dinner, eat some amazing seafood because it's super fresh and along the coast. And then tomorrow we're actually going to go on a boat cruise. And then you get to come along. We're going to look for marine life. We're supposed to do it today, but apparently the weather has not been, the weather is awesome. It's like probably 30 degrees right now, but it's very windy in the ocean, and so they don't really want to take the chance. So we're going to go tomorrow morning instead before we leave for Obai. So yeah, I'm excited about seeing Knysna and what it has. It's been absolutely beautiful so far. Everywhere we've been to has been stunning, and just the natural beauty of the garden route is breathtaking. I'm sure you guys have seen in our previous videos as well. So I hope Knysna, and I know it's not going to disappoint because I have seen some pictures of Knysna Heads before. But yeah, I hope that you guys will enjoy this and then come along with us on the rest of our day. We're heading down to the viewpoint and hopefully it's going to be spectacular, but we'll see. We've just arrived on Thesan Island and we're going for a boat cruise. I think it's called a marine tour. Try to see dolphins and whales and stuff. It was a little bit confusing to get here because we got a link. We booked with Get Your Guide. We got a link, but it didn't really work. So if you do the same thing, you're gonna drive down that road, which is a bridge to the island, and then you come to the circle. You're gonna look for this whale right there. And then, yeah, the place is right here on the right. So, let's go.